Hi everyone, this is Bhavya KV of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from CSC branch. Today's subject is Mechanical Engineering and topic is Internet of Things IoT. The content we are going to discuss in upcoming slides are IoT definition, how it works, example of Internet of Things devices, why is Internet of Things so important, IoT applications, advantages and disadvantages. IoT definition. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer the data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. It is known as IoT. IoT means they are the interrelated computing devices. It may be mechanical or a digital machines, and the transfer of data takes place over a network. It may be human to human or human to computer interaction. How IoT works, which means the main characteristics of IoT: sensors, connectivity, data processing, user interface. Sensors. Sensors are a key component that help you to collect the live data from the surrounding environment, which means that by the help of the sensors you can collect the live data from the surrounding environment, and these sensors they have various levels of complexities. Connectivity. All the connected data is sent to the cloud infrastructure, and the sensors should be connected to the cloud using various mediums of communication, which means this IoT it gets the collected data and it is stored in the cloud information, and sensors they will collect the data from the cloud using various mediums of communications. The mediums of communication may be Wi-Fi, mobile data, or any WAN, etc. Data processing. Once the data is collected and it gets to the cloud, once the data whatever is there it is collected and then it gets to the cloud, the software performs processing on the gathered data. Whatever the data is gathered, a process will be performed on it. This process can be just checking the temperature, reading on devices like AC or heaters. It may be a simple like temperature reading, or devices like AC or heaters checking, or it may be complex mechanism also. User interface. The information needs to be available to the end user in some way, which can be achieved by triggering alarms on their phones or sending them notification through email or text messages. The user sometimes might need an interface which actively checks their IoT system. So between the user and IoT system, an interface is required so that it checks the IoT system. What is an example of Internet of Things devices? An electric bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app is an IoT device. With the help of mobile phone, we will be able to on the bulb. So it is an example of IoT device, as in a motion sensor or a smart thermostat in your office or a connected street light. An IoT device could be a fluffy as a child toy or as serious as a driverless truck, which means that if we use with care, it may be a toy for us, or if we use it without careless, then it would be a driverless truck, which means so dangerous. Why is Internet of Things so important? Why we need this in daily life? Over past few years, IoT has become one of the most important technology of 21st century. Now that we can connect everyday objects, kitchen appliances, cars, thermostats, baby monitors to the internet via embedded devices. Seamless communication is possible between the people, process, and also the things. IoT applications. So today, everywhere we are using the IoT applications. IoT is playing a very important role in our life. It may be in smart thermostats, in connected cars, active trackers, parking sensor, and many more. What are the advantages of IoT? Ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device. From anywhere we can access the information or data, and improved communication between connected electronic devices. So it improves the connection between connected electronic devices. And disadvantages of IoT is, as the number of connected devices are increasing and more information is being shared between the devices, the potential that hacker could steal the confidential information also increases. So the hacking process will also be increased while the more data or information is shared between the devices. Enterprises may eventually have to deal with massive numbers, maybe even millions of IoT devices, and collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be a challenging task. Means enterprises, they have to make a deal with massive numbers, it may be even millions of IoT devices, and they have to collect and manage the data from all those devices. It will be a challenging task. That's all the thing which we have discussed about IoT. Thank you.